Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech to AI. Till now, we've all heard a lot about face swap. We've even done many face swaps ourselves, had plenty of fun, and joked around with it. But friends, Higgsfield has brought an amazing AI tool that doesn't just swap faces, it lets you do a full body swap. Yes, that's right. This is Higgsfield's Recast app. I'll give you the link in the description, friends. Look at what it says here. Swap characters in any video. You know, friends, face swapping is easy, but swapping the entire body is a difficult task. Higgsfield claims that they are the first ones who have made this possible. What it mainly does is you upload a video clip and you upload an image. Higgsfield's Recast AI tool replaces the person in the video with the person from the image. They've shown one sample here. Let's quickly try 1 to 2 generations. I have a video clip of a man dancing. The video should be between 5 to 15 seconds. For the image, I have a picture of Charlie Chaplin. Let's upload that. Let's click on Generate. Now the process has started. It can take up to around 5 minutes. Friends, our video has been generated. Look at this, friends. How amazingly it has swapped the entire body. I intentionally chose a dancing video so I could see how well it tracks body movements. It's very impressive. The movements are exactly the same. Since my image was black and white, Charlie also appears black and white. But look at the rest of the background. It's exactly the same. I tried it with a lady as well. Now I'm uploading a video of my avatar. Here, I'm selecting this robot image. Look at this. The hand movements and lip sync are absolutely perfect. I removed the audio because it was talking about a different topic, but I can tell you the lip sync is spot on. There's another option here. Try full Recast Studio. Here, alongside your video, you can select one of the pre-given images or upload your own image. The special thing here is that you can also change the voice in your video. They've given several voices to choose from, or you can upload your own audio file.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting the stillness of the evening. Fitness is the key to
I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Toughness is in the soul and spirit, not in muscles and an immature mind.
You can also add a background or choose a chroma green background so you can edit it later. I'll select this background. I've added a character image here. Now let's check it. By clicking on Go to Library, you can see your generation history. You can download whichever video you want. Look at this, friends. In the video, my avatar has been replaced by this character.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2 AI. If you're
And the voice has changed too. Amazing. In the apps section, you can see many trending apps from Higgsfield. Let's try another feature here. Swap face in video. In this one, the whole video stays the same, only the face changes. Let me quickly upload a video of my avatar. And this man's image. Let's swap them.
Welcome back to Tech2 AI. If you're still using an
Look at this, friends. The face swap in video is done. Just look at the use cases. You can do dynamic marketing, you can put historic figures into any video, or you can create memes. You have to admit, friends, Higgsfield has done an incredible job. You must definitely try Higgsfield's Recast app. That's it for today's video. Enjoy the new era of AI.